Find the best electric lawn mowers on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 10 best electric lawn mowers on the market. 10. Greenworks 25022, 20-inch 12-amp corded electric lawn mower. Greenworks 25022 is a corded electric lawn mower. Thus, a lawn mower is especially working for cutting the grass at 7 different levels. You can easily adjust its position to cut according to your favorable grass height. Basically, Greenworks 25022 has 12 amp electric motor for smooth and clean working. It is an efficient corded electric lawn mower. 9. Joe MJ401 Epro, 14-inch 13-amp electric lawn mower. Joe MJ401 Epro electric lawn mower is namely a professional lawn mower, as it contains 14-inch powerful stainless steel blades. Joe MJ401 Epro is the best electric lawn mower because the lawn mower can cut grass at 3 different levels. The electric power lawn mower works at a precise level to get better results for your lawn. 8. Greenworks 25302, 20-inch 40 volts twin-force cordless electric lawn mower 4.0 and 2.0 batteries. Greenworks 25302 is a powerful electric lawn mower. In fact, it is designed for the battery system, as it contains a 20-volt motor for a middle-range lawn. For the best working, it contains 4.0 ampere and 2.0 ampere batteries. The whole machine has a compact and adjustable design. Its dual-blade system and 5 different cutting heights make it efficient lawn mower. 7. Greenworks 25142, 16-inch 10-amp corded electric lawn mower. Greenworks 25142 is a corded electric lawn mower. In short, its 10 amp powerful motor rapidly cut grass from your lawn. It is specially designed to cut all types of grasses. Moreover, it is an adjustable and compact electric lawn mower that performs outstanding work. The whole lawn mower is specially designed for efficient working. 6. BLACK+DECKER MTC 220, 12-inch 20 volts max lithium cordless 3-inch -1 electric lawn mower. BLACK+DECKER MTC 220 is a 3-in-1 machine. Generally, MTC 220 is convertible into a lawn mower, edger, and trimmer. It is a cordless machine that easily cuts grass. Its AFS system makes it possible for continuous work. Like other electric lawn mower, MTC 220 can cut grass at different heights. 5. WORX WG775, 24 volts 14-inch, cordless electric lawn mower. WORX WG775 is a 24 volts cordless electric lawn mower. In fact, a powerful machine and a very lightweight design. It works for the more grassy area as compared to ordinary lawn mowers. Usually, we can't expect better battery life from a cordless electric mower. It works more efficiently and starts on a single push. 4. Ego Power Plus LM2000S, 20-inch 56-volt lithium-ion, cordless electric lawn mower. Ego Power Plus LM2000S is a 56 volts cordless electric lawn mower. It has superb quality 56 volt lithium-ion battery for better working and long battery life. It is a high-quality cordless lawn mower for better usage and grass cutting. Simply, it works on different grass heights. Usually, a cordless model just starts on a single push. It also works in a better way. 3. Greenworks Pro GLM801602, 21-inch 80 volts, 4.0R battery included, cordless lawn mower. Greenworks Pro is another cordless model. It contains a powerful brushless motor that allows you to cut more grass than ordinary lawn mowers. As it has 4.0 ampere and 8.0 ampere batteries for longer power backup, you can avail of more energy while cutting long grass from your lawn. The efficient battery system is designed for fast charging. 2. SunJoe 16 LM, 16-inch 40 volts, brushless motor, cordless lawn mower. SunJoe 16 LM is a cordless electric lawn mower. It contains a powerful brushless motor that increases the working efficiency and battery power backup. It works really efficiently. You can use it for a longer time without any vibration and lawnmower noise. However, its compactable design makes you able to store it in a smaller space. 1. BLACK+DECKER CM2040 Cordless Lawn Mower. BLACK+DECKER CM2040 has a wide 20 inches cutting deck. Moreover, this cutting path is enough for a smaller area, as it contains a 40-volt motor. It comes with 2.5R lithium-ion batteries for long time usage and efficient working. Like other lawn mowers, it contains 6 different height levels for smoother lawn surface. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.